Yes. Okay. Now, maybe use something like curry rice tomorrow to be sweet.
This light no good. This is what I will put this light.
And that's what I say. I get the light.
Although Annie was extremely worried, she didn't dare to turn back. At this moment, she could only trust Jack to handle the situation. Fortunately, Jack remained composed and smoothly passed the security interrogation. Next, they had to face the most nerve.
I'm doing fake biryani rice. I don't know what they call it. That Indian rice. This is my fake one. The chicken stuff I used yesterday for the suya, and the suya pepper is also there. I think I added some things. I want to add some things. Then I'm boiling my rice on the side. And I'm just going to add some things now. Extra seasoning, curry, thyme. What else again, Seth? Maybe a little bit of rosemary. And yeah, oil. So let's just see. Let's see. This is how it's looking. I'm gonna cover it. It does. Looks good. Because I like corn, I'm going to add corn to it now. And I'm going to boil my egg on the side as protein. So this is boiling my corn and butter. I'll just allow that to melt in and stir again. Yes. Put your proteins. I want to get enough them. Watching Godfather of Harlem season 4. I just started. I don't know what's this. And why did they put this? If you can see this. Please, thank you so much. You guys, I don't know if the lighting of this system is too bright. Let me bring it closer to me. Okay, same. Thank you so much. Push correct. Curve. There. The right correct. Okay, I think they fixed it for me. Oh, I think this is the original lens from the frame itself. From the frame itself.
To conquer your own battle, hearing what God is saying and doing it, and corrections. He said, Gideon, you're a mighty man of faith. I see God giving you something this morning. In Jesus' name I pray. He said, Gideon.
Hey guys, I bought a couple of things. Lighter. I'm always buying lighter at this point. Amount of lighters I've bought in my lifetime. And then this is camphor. Scottish sponge. And just a couple of air fresheners. Honey. I didn't see the other brand I used to buy, so I decided to go for this one. And then toothpaste for my daughter. And then bread. This is bread. Also, I got a new plastic. Let me show you if I can show you. I also bought sweet corn because I love sweet corn so much. And then I got a new plastic. It's a very big plastic. I just want to use it to store things like what are they calling it? I think I have like 4 of these already in this house. 4 of this plastic, and I want to use it to store juice, noodles, biscuits, all those extra home essentials I used to use. See, 10,000 naira. I don't know how many liters, so let me see if I can see the liters. Let me see. What's this? Okay, I don't even know how many liters I bought, but they are saying they have 60, 35, 18. I think it's the 60 liters, so it's quite large. I have like 4 of this in my house already. Is it 4? Let me not lie. Is it up to 4? 1, 2, I think it's 2, 3. One is for my hair stuffs, which is not big enough. I think that's the smallest I have. And I have one for all this my kitchen things. Like I have glassware, what do they call it? Wine glasses, breakable plates that I don't use often, so I just dump all of them there. Maybe one day I will show you. I don't have strength. But all those home stuff, I just put them there. Use it to collect those things. And this one, I also use it for food, juice, noodles, biscuits, any food thing, that's what I want to use it for. Anyway, that's what's happening right now in my life. I'll talk to you guys later. Oh wait, I also bought a crate of malt, and I don't know if my husband put that malt now. This milk, Hollandia milk. I just got it. And then noodles. See, all these things, what I'm talking about. All these things is biscuits, juice, noodles, carton. I want to dispose all of them. And instead of anytime I buy biscuits and juice, I will just put it inside that big bucket. That's what I want to do. These other buckets that I have, I use it to collect kitchen stuff like kitchen plastics. I'm sure you have seen it in one of my videos. Anyway, kitchen plastics, and I don't know what my pancake is doing there. My son's school flags, cup, and my chopper tray, a bunch of things, and yeah, that's how it's looking. So all these things will go, and to just be that bucket and another bucket. And you guys okay now. And the cartons, I'm going to dispose them. Dispose them.